Today we have discussed about the lesson 2 animal world, and in this chapter we have discussed about the environment, habitat, body covering, breathing animals, organs of breathing. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First to see the homework. Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I've given homework. Uh, Learn answer the following questions of lesson first. You know that in question answer, short questions and long question, both questions given. So I hope all of you learned answer the following questions of lesson first in proper way. And I request you, when you watch the video, in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. This is a very compulsory for you. So all students do this work. Means you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily after the watching video. Okay students, here revision lesson to animal world. You know that in this world, in different animals live in different place. They have different habitats and their living conditions are different. You know that some animals live in water, some are live on land surface, some are live on tree, most of the time spent on tree, and some are flying in the air. Okay, they move from one place to another place for searching food, for shelter, for breeding. So you know that environment, uh, that area of animals where live in that area is called environment, and animal live in a particular place, and in place they get food or shelter or other things, and that place is called habitat. So you know that on the basis of the body, animals are different types and their structures are different. So next topic is body covering. You know that different animals have different cover, and they protect from protect themselves. First you know that the fish, and this is the structure of fish. See carefully. This, suppose this is a fish. You know that fish covered with the scales. This is a scale, overlapping scale. This overlapping scale protected from water and other things. And some fish they have not had the scale, but they have mucus scale, and this mucus skin also protect from the water. Turtle body also protected by the hard covering. Okay, snail, you know the snail also protected from the hard covering. This hard covering is called shell. Okay, shell. Okay, and next one is a bird. Bird also protected from the feathers and fur. Their body covered with fur and feathers help in flying, and fur protect from the heat, cold, rain, etc. Now sheep and deer also protected from the, they cover their body covered with the wool, and you know that this wool protect from the heat, cold and rain. So you can see here different animals have different types of body covering, and this body covering found according to their habitat, their environment. Okay, next breathing animals. You know that all living beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. In environment, you know that the carbon dioxide available, oxygen also. Oxygen available in 21%. Oxygen 21%. This oxygen gas used as a breathing. Okay, all animals. And how to balance in nature oxygen and carbon dioxide. We means human beings and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, but you know that plants breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So in this method oxygen balance in nature. Different animals have different breathing organs. Okay, different animals have different breathing organs. First, amoeba and paramecium. You know that amoeba and paramecium both are unicellular animal. Their body structure made from the one cell, single cells. So they breathe with the help of body surface. Body surface. Amoeba and paramecium, their body structure with their body is made from the single cell. So these animals breathe with the help of body surface. With the why you know that they are suppose this is amoeba. You know that amoeba have not a definite shape, not a particular shape. Okay, they breathe with the help of body surface. This surface, body surface. Same as well, same process in paramecium. Now insects. In insect, in body are very small pores found. This small pores is called spiracles. Spiracles. Through the spiracles, insect breathe. Okay, insects breathe. Okay, anybody ask the question what is the breathing organ of insects? Or spiracles. Spiracles is a small pore that are found on the body surface of the insect. Now next, aquatic animals. You know that aquatic animals. You know that what do you mean by aquatic animals? Animals that live in water. And you know that in example, fish, crab, prawn, etc. Fish, crab, prawn, etc. You know that fish have gills. Fish have gills for breathing. Aquatic animals have gills for breathing. They have gills, and with the help of gills, they absorb dissolved oxygen, not oxygen get from the environment. They absorb dissolved oxygen. You know the dissolved oxygen found in water. Dissolved oxygen, and this dissolved oxygen absorbed by the aquatic animals. Okay, you know that when we remove fish from the water, they cannot breathe. They cannot the oxygen from the atmosphere directly. Only they absorb the dissolved oxygen. Now amphibians. You know that amphibians are animals that live on land also as well as in water. They are both in water and on land. When these amphibians, you know that example, I take example of frog. You know the frog, when frog live in water, they breathe with the help of moist skin. But when they live on land, they breathe with the help of lungs. You can say here they have two breathing organs, lungs as well as body surface. And some, you know that during the life cycle of frog, you observe that tadpole breathe with the help of gills. In a tadpole, because they live in water and they have gills. But when tadpole get converted into adult frog, then they breathe with the help of lungs as well as lungs and moist skin. Next, birds, reptiles and mammals. You know that these animals breathe with the help of lungs. Okay. Hello student, now you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 2 animal world. Homework is learn choose the correct answer of lesson 2. Learn choose the correct answer of lesson 2 in proper way. And all student you have to write name, class and section in comment box for your attendance daily. Okay, this is very compulsory for you.